Now today we are going to learn the concept of law of addition of probability. Law of addition of probability. Now very simple, okay, you have already studied this indirectly. Now the law of addition of probability goes this way. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So extremely important. Now let's check out how does this work. Now very simple, let's take an example. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6. B is equal to 2, 3, 5. So what will be A union B? A union B will be elements of A, okay? That is 1, 2, 5, 6 plus element of B, that is 2, 3, 5 minus A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? दोनों में common क्या है? 2 and 5. So 2, 5. Now let's check out. So what we get is A union B is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5. उसमें से 2 और 5 we have to remove. So 1, 2 and 1, 5. So let me first write 1, 2, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5. इसमें से we remove 2 and 5. So from this 2 and 5 will be removed from here. So let's say this 2 and 5 is removed. So what we get is A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Please write this. Please write this, then we proceed. Any doubt in this? You understood this? कि elements of A plus element of B minus क्या करेंगे जो common element है between A and B. Got it? Please लिख लो with example. Okay, now this is one part of it. Now, what if there are 3 events? For events A, B, and C. What will be the law of addition of probability? This is really very important and it can come in your exam for 1 mark, a short question. So probability of A union B union C is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B minus probability of A intersection C minus probability of B intersection C plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. Please write this. Again important. Now see the first one what we did. The first one what we did, the second one what we did. For was for normal events A, B and C, and this one was for event A and B. Now let's take a situation for mutually exclusive events. Now in case of mutually exclusive events, okay, for one events A and B. Now if there are two events A and B and they are mutually exclusive, यानी दोनों साथ में हो सकता नहीं है. So it means what? A intersection B is equal to null. So in that case, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. That's it. Because over here, A intersection B, this one is null, so it will not come. It's only P of A plus P of B. Now, let me highlight this. Next one. For events A, B, and C. Now, in this case, what we do is they are mutually exclusive. So A intersection B is equal to null. A intersection C is equal to null. B intersection C is equal to null. And A intersection B intersection C is also equal to null set. In this case, probability of A union B will be equal to, probability of A union B union C will be equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C. But ये कब use करना है? When they are mutually exclusive events. So please be careful about it. Only when they are mutually exclusive. Please write them. Important for exam. Now let's take a case where the events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Now mutually exclusive and exhaustive है. In that case, for events A and B, since they are mutually exclusive, A intersection B is equal to null. They are exhaustive. So A union B is equal to U. Therefore, probability of A union B is equal to 1. So in this case, we write probability of A union probability of B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Therefore, we can say that probability of A plus probability of B is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now for events A, B, and C, if they are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, then A intersection B is equal to A intersection C is equal to B intersection C is all, which is equal to A intersection B intersection C, all are equal to null. Again, probability of A union B union C is equal to 1. So probability of A union B union C is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C. Therefore, probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C is equal to 1. Highlighted. Now, a very important question comes to my mind. कि सर ये तो बराबर है कि आपने समझा दिया कि ये ऐसे 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 करके इक्वेशन बन जाएंगे, पर इसको यूज कब करना है? इसको यूज कब करना है? क्या हमें सिर्फ इसको गोखना है? वो तो है, पर इसका उपयोग कैसे करना है? तो वी रिवाइंड and go back to our first lecture where we said when will we take union of events. So union of events कब लेंगे हम? क्योंकि जहां पे हम यूनियन ऑफ इवेंट्स लेंगे वहां पे ही हम लॉ ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी करेंगे. सो यूनियन ऑफ इवेंट्स हम लेंगे under the condition, for say for example there are two events, event A and B. Union of event we will take when we have to find A union B is to be used when it is at least one of the two events occur or A occurs or B occurs or both A and B occurs. Now मैं इसमें ही थोड़ा मॉडिफाई कर देता हूं, तुम्हारे लिए इजी हो जाएगा. Let me change the color of the pen. Now note, if A and B are mutually exclusive, if A and B are mutually exclusive events, in this case, when do you use A union B, where A occurs or B occurs? अब यहां पे और बोथ A and B occurs नहीं आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि A intersection B will be equal to null set. Is this clear? Is this clear? Concept? Thank you, Vaishnavi, for replying. At least someone is replying. पहले है ना जब छोटे बच्चे होते थे तो टीचर्स उनको ऐसे स्माइली देते थे हाथ पे कि बहुत अच्छा खुश करने के लिए। अब एटलीस्ट तुम एक ठेंगा तो दिखा दो सर को। अब मौका मिला है तुम्हें कि अब हम सर को एक स्माइली देंगे, एक इमोजी भेजेंगे। मौका अब मिला है तुम्हें ये। ओके, शुड आई प्रोसीड नाउ? यू अंडरस्टूड यूज कब करना है, पता चल गया। जब क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कहा है कि एटलीस्ट रीड्स वन न्यूज़पेपर or is multiple of 3 or 5. Understood this? All of you? Okay. Now let's go to the sums. Come to page number. Now exercise sums are already covered in my video lectures. So I'm covering the illustrations for you. Still, while you will be doing the exercise sums, in case you face any difficulty, we will discuss them as well in our tomorrow's session. Okay? But you try to do it on your own. That's the best way of learning. So come to page number 27, illustration number 19, 19. Now illustration 19, a number is randomly selected from first 50 natural numbers. Find the probability that it is multiple of 2 or multiple of 3. Multiple of 2 or 3. Multiple of 2 or 3. So it can be multiple of 2, it can be multiple of 3, और इट कैन बी बोथ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 as well as 3. ऐसा भी पॉसिबल है ना, जैसे 6 is a multiple of 2 as well as 3. Understood this? So first we write the sample space U. 1 2 3, it goes up to 50. So therefore n is equal to 50. नाउ पता कैसे चलेगा कि यूनियन यूज करना है, बिकॉज दिया है मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 और 3. सो इट 2 और 3. सो नाउ ओवर हियर even A is multiple of 2. So A is equal to, we start with 2, 4, 6, 8, it goes up to 50. So how many numbers? So M is equal to 50 divided by 2 is 25. So probability of A is equal to M upon N, which is equal to 25 upon 50. We can write 1 by 2 also. Even B, multiple of 3. So B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, goes on and on up to 48. So M is equal to 50 divided by 3 करो कैलसी पे, कितना आ रहा है 16. 16 threes are 48. So probability of B is equal to M upon N, which is equal to 16 by 50. Event A intersection B denote what? multiple of 2 and 3, which are multiple of 2 and 3. So which is A intersection B. 2 and 3 and 3 twos are 6. So 6 के multiple 6, 12, 18, 24, goes on and on and on up to 48. So M is equal to 50 divided by 6. 6 eights are 48. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is equal to M upon N, which is equal to 8 by 50. Okay, now using law of addition of probability, using law of addition of probability, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, which is equal to, what is probability of A? We take this one, 25 by 50. So that denominator remains the same, plus probability of B, 16 by 50 minus 8 by 50, which is equal to 33 by 50. Therefore, probability that the number selected is multiple of 2 or 3 is 33 by 50. Answer. Okay, now let's go to the next sum. Illustration number 20. Now, ध्यान देना please. One card is randomly selected from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the selected card is a club or a queen, neither a club nor a queen. So, what is club? Okay, now in cards, we have various symbols. Now, club is this symbol. This symbol is known as club. Okay, and queen will have Q written over there with a face of a queen. Okay, with a face which is of a queen. ऐसा हम मान लेते हैं. So queen. Okay. Now club के अलावा क्या symbol है? Club के अलावा है spade, then heart, and then diamond. So diamond D, heart H, spade S, and club C. Okay. Now each of these symbols over here, there are 13 cards. 13, 13, 13, 13. Each of these symbols is known as suit. Suit यानी कि सेम ही सिंबल वाले कार्ड्स. नाउ ओवर हियर स्पीड क्यों रेड हो गया? ओके, ओवर हियर there are there are 26 black cards. So this 13 and this 13. And then there are 26 red cards. So various types of questions can come in such a question where there are cards and you have to select cards. Now over here, we have to find the probability that selected card is a club or a queen. So यहाँ पे we use law of addition of probability, we use union of events. So let's start doing the sum. First, number of ways a card can be selected from 52 cards. That is n is equal to 52 में से एक 52C1 which is equal to 52 ways. Then let's take event A denote that card selected is a club. Is a club यानी ये वाला सिंबल club यानी फल्ली. ओके, नाउ क्लब के लिए ए क्या आएगा? We will have club of ace, club of 2, club of 3. It goes up to club of king. So M is equal to 13. So club wale cards are 13. So probability of A is equal to M upon N, which is 13 by 52, which is 1 by 4. Event B, card selected is a queen. क्वीन को फेस कार्ड भी कहते हैं क्योंकि फेस है, वहां पे चेहरा है. सो कार्ड सिलेक्टेड इज अ क्वीन. सो बी इज इक्वल टू, वी हैव क्लब का क्वीन, वी हैव स्पेड का क्वीन, वी हैव क्वीन ऑफ हार्ट्स एंड वी हैव डायमंड का क्वीन. सो m is equal to 4. Therefore, probability of B is equal to M upon N, which is 4 by 52, is also 1 by 13. Now, so event A intersection B denote that card selected is queen and club, or we can say the queen of club. Okay, we can say like that also. Now over here, A intersection B is equal to queen of club is only one card. So M is equal to 1. So therefore probability of A intersection B is equal to M upon N, which is equal to 1 by 52. So now now what we have to find? Now we have to find that the card selected is a club or a queen. So we say therefore probability that card selected is a club or queen is probability of A union B, which is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, which is equal to P of A. P of A is what? 13 by 52 plus P of B is 4 by 52. ये वाला 4 by 52, 13 by 52 minus 1 by 52, this one, which is equal to 13 and 4, 17. So 16 by 52, 8 by 26, or 4 say also you can do 4 by 13. So this is answer 1. Now second is neither a club nor a queen, यानी हमें न क्लब चाहिए न क्वींस चाहिए. We don't want club, we don't want club, we don't want queen, and can I say we don't want both, because club नहीं queen नहीं, तो queen and club भी आएगा ही नहीं. So we say that probability is for the second one of getting neither a club nor a queen is complementary to getting club or queen. It means what? We have to find probability of A union B complement, which is 1 minus probability of A union B, which is equal to 1 minus 4 by 13, which is equal to 13 minus 4 by 13, which is 9 by 13. Other way we can do is 52 cards है, उसमें से we remove these 16 cards, these 16, which is equal to 36 cards out of 52 cards, which is equal to again 9 by 13. That is why we use complementary. Okay, let's start the sum. 3% from medical profession and 5% from engineering profession offer services at local organization. Two persons are randomly selected from these persons with the purpose of forming a committee. Find the probability that both the person selected below selected belong to the same profession. We want that both the person who are selected should be from the same profession. So either both of them can be from medical profession or both of them can be from engineering profession. Now let's start the sum. Let's first write what we know. 3 are from medical profession and 5 from engineering profession. Now 3 are from medical and 5 are from engineering. Now we have to select two persons. So first let's write number of ways two person can be selected is equal to, there are total 8 people. So 8C2, which is 8 into 7 upon 2 into 1. 8 sevens are 56, divided by 2 is 28. So therefore n is equal to 28. N is equal to 28. Now what we have to find, that two persons are selected to form a committee. We have to find the probability that both are of the same profession. So either two are from medical or two are from engineering. So let's say event A denote two persons are from medical profession. So M is equal to 2 are from medical, so there are 3 people, so 3 may say 2. So 2 out of 3, which is equal to 3 into 2 upon 2 into 1, which is equal to 3. Therefore, probability of A is M upon N, that is 3 by 28. Find out 3 divided by 28. We can't solve it. So 3 by 28. Then event B denote two person are from engineering profession. M is number of outcome favorable to occurrence of event B. So medical engineering profession में 5 में से 2. So 5C2, which is 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1, which is equal to 10. Now your event A and B are mutually exclusive. वो जो दो पर्सन है वो दोनों इंजीनियरिंग एंड मेडिकल तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सो आइदर वो दोनों इंजीनियरिंग से है या वो दोनों मेडिकल से है. सो दे आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. सो A intersection B is equal to null. or we can say probability of A intersection B is equal to 0. कोई chance नहीं है कि ये होगा. So we say therefore what we have to find, probability that both the person, probability that both person are from same profession is probability of A union B. Since they are mutually exclusive, probability of A plus probability of B, which is equal to 3 by 28. And here probability of B is equal to M upon N, which is equal to 10 by 28. So 3 by 28 and 10 by 28. Which is equal to 13 by 28. Thanks. हो गया सबका यहाँ तक? किसी को कोई डाउट, कोई भी क्वेश्चन में? किसी को कोई डाउट? नाउ सी, ये जो सम है ना 21, उसको हम without doing this event A, event B directly also we can do it, okay? But here wherever it is given that you have to find something like this where there are two profession and you have to select both are from same profession, so either A or B, then it is advisable to use law of addition of probability. Otherwise how we would have done it is, if we wanted to do this, okay, तुम्हारे understanding के लिए है कि there are 3 in medical and there are 5 in engineering profession. Now you wanted to say, you know कि n is equal to 8 में से 2, so which comes to 28. So you can also find the probability like this, that 2 from medical profession or 2 from engineering profession. So what will be M? 2 from medical यानी क्या 3 में से 2 और is plus, और engineering में 5 में से 2, which is equal to 3 plus 10, which is equal to 13. So directly you can do, therefore probability is equal to 13 by 52. Sorry, 13 by 28. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं हम, बट इसमें फिर हो सकता है कि तुम्हें पूरे मार्क्स नहीं मिले. So better you go for our method only. This method we have used when we did combination last year. Okay, if you wanted to find out number of ways 2 people can be selected from the same profession, out of 3 from medical and 5 from engineering. So better you follow law of addition. Now पता कैसे चलेगा law of addition? Because here we are given 2 profession, one is medical, other is engineering. We have to select 2 person from same. So either this or this. तो जहाँ पे भी this or this आता है, A or B, it's better you follow law of addition of probability. Is this clear? You may be able to do it directly. Okay, there's no doubt about it. But better you follow the steps given in the textbook. Okay, now do the homework. and I'll see you all tomorrow.